how to insert a text box in Google Docs. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So it's really simple to insert a text box. So let's dive right in. First things first, open up Google Docs and then go to the insert option on the top, and there you'll find a table, drawing, and tap on drawing and then go to new. Now, something like this will pop up. Then here you'll have to tap on the TT, which is the text box. Tap on it and then select the size of the text box that you want. You'll have to drag it and just leave it. And then now here you can type any text that you want. So you can write a whole paragraph. And then what you need to do is tap on save and close. And there you go, the text box appears right there on the Google Docs. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.